Welcome. This is a step-by-step guide to help you apply successfully to the University of Ghana. First, you visit the IPO website, which is ipo.ug.edu.gh. On the website, hover on Admissions and select Degree-Seeking Students. This will open a pop-up. Select your preferred level of study. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Apply Now. This will open this page. Select Apply Now once again. This will bring you to the main application portal. Here, you have the option to log in with your details if you're a returning user. If not, select Create an Account. Type your surname, your first name, your email address, select your nationality, and type a password, which you will confirm. When this is done, select Create Account. Congratulations! You will see a notification to confirm that your account has been successfully created. You can check your email to activate this account. After the account is created, you can log in with your details. You can also proceed by selecting Click here to log in. This will take you to the login page. Type the email address which you used to register for the account. Then type your password and select Login. Welcome to the home page of the applications portal. Kindly read the welcome message. This contains certain vital information about the application process. When this is completed, locate the red text on the page and check to agree before you can proceed. Once this is done, select Begin Application Process. This will bring you to a section which requires you to input your personal details or your biodata. It is vital that you provide accurate information, as this information will be kept on file and used for your student ID cards. Select your title, type your surname, your first name, and other names if applicable. Select your gender and your date of birth. Select your nationality and your country of origin, that is where you are applying from. Select your religious denomination, your marital status, and number of children, if applicable. On the address, input your address. If your permanent home address is different from the one provided above, kindly input that as well. Input the name of your parent or guardian or next of kin, as well as the address for the selected person. If you participated in sports from senior high school or have a disability, kindly input this information as well. Select yes or no. If you are currently employed, kindly do same. Select Save and Continue. Congratulations, your information has been saved successfully. Now, select Continue. This will bring you to the Entry Information section of the application portal. This page records details about your preferred period of study, the application type, as well as the mode of entry. Select your entry year. Under Entry Type, select the results with which you are applying to the university. Under Application Type, select the level of education you want to pursue at the university. Under Mode of Entry, select Foreign Applicant. Tell us how you heard about the University of Ghana. If it was through an agent, Select the name of the agent. Select Save and Continue. Congratulations, your information has been saved successfully. Select Continue. This will bring you to the Educational Background section of the application. This page records information about any past education you have had or any schools you have attended prior to your application. Select Yes if you have ever been to secondary or high school. Type the name of the school. Select the duration, that is when you started and when you completed. Then select the qualification obtained from the school. Under Mode of Application, select the results with which you're applying to the University of Ghana. If you have sat for the exam already, select Yes. If not, select No. If you have ever attended University of Ghana or any other university, select Yes. Otherwise, select No. Under Past SSSCA, WASSCE, Baccalaureate, IGCS, GCE, or American Grade 12 information, select the month during which the exam was written. Select the year, the exam type. Input your candidate's number or your index number and confirm this by typing it again. If you have sat for other exam, kindly input their details accordingly. Kindly note that the university accepts only 3 results. Thus, you can input the details of only 3 of your results. When this is done, select Save and Continue. Congratulations, your information has been saved successfully. Next is the Program Option page of the application. This page records your preferred campus and program option. Select your preferred campus and then select your first program of choice. Kindly note that some programs would require that you select sub-programs under them. When the selection is done, select Save and Continue. This will bring you to a page which requires that you upload your passport photo. Your passport photo should satisfy the required dimensions and requirements and should have a plain background. Once the upload is successful, select Save and Continue. Select Supporting Documents. This page allows you to upload your results as well as other required documents. To add a document, select Add Supporting Documents. Select a document type, then choose the document to be uploaded. Once you have successfully uploaded the document, you can choose to upload more or continue. For WAEC applicants, select the WAEC results checker. For verification purposes, input the details of the WAEC results checker. That is the exam's number, the year, the type, the country, the serial number of the card, and the PIN. Kindly note that you are required to pay an application fee of $110. Without this payment, your application will not be processed. This payment can be done at the bank or online. If payment is made at the bank, kindly upload the payment slip for verification. If payment is to be done online, select Pay Online. This will redirect you to a page where you can select your preferred payment method. Choose the type of card and then input the card details. That is the card number, the expiry date, the security code which can be seen on the signature panel of your card. Kindly note that the amount stated is bank charge inclusive? Once this is done, select Pay. After your payment has been verified, you can view the summary of your application. Kindly take note of your application number. This can be seen on the top right corner of the page. Congratulations, we have come to the end of the application process.